So if you need to cook something or light something on fire or make a stove and all you have is a can, nothing else, all you have is butane, just find a container, could be anything, just something open, no holes, find a container, put you something inside. I put a paper towel, you can use leaves or whatever. Butane's heavier than air, so it sinks to the bottom of whatever container. So just make sure you're clear of any other fire, and you can use your nail kind of like that, fill her up. Fill her up pretty good, make sure kind of soak whatever it is in there. A little saturated, that'll hold it longer. Grab you a flame and light her up. You do it right, it'll last a long time. No real wick, just something to soak up some of the fluid. This one's been going for about 45 minutes at this point. Just beer bottle and paper towel. This one's been going for over an hour. I put a bunch in it though, but over an hour.